this is my newest birthday bag. I'm low-key hoping that there's another one on the way, but I'm trying not to get my hopes up. If you know, you know. Quota bag number 3 has arrived. 38 is being extra good to me because we have a new baby in the handbag collection. Yes, the ribbon has already been removed because my sister-in-law and mom had to be the first to experience the unboxing with me this time around. So I went ahead and did a FaceTime and shared with them my newest baby, but we are here to go through the experience again together. I'm not going to keep you guys waiting too long. I'm not going to tease you. I'm going to share with you what it is now. I do have to say that I think many of you will be extremely surprised. There were a lot of changes and a lot of talk and a lot of emotions throughout this process. So I think that a good majority of you that have been here for a minute will be totally surprised in regards to this option. But I will share her really quick. Would love to hear your guesses. It is definitely not anything that I have mentioned or talked about recently, so that should be a hint. Let's do a little teaser of the color. Can you see that color? Do you see it? And that gives it pretty much away. But here is the newest handbag. I can't even speak. Here she is. This is the latest acquisition, and it is a Kelly 28 in Cellier with palladium hardware and obviously in the color black, Epsom leather. Oh my gosh, she smells amazing. Let me gather myself. I still can't get over it. As you can see, I had already removed her little dust thing that she comes with. You know, she was definitely all casualed out at the moment. Oh my God, her little arms. So I would love to know how many of you were totally surprised by this. I know it's like, May, you need to explain yourself. This is totally not anything we would have expected from you. And I know, believe me. It was something that I was low-key keeping to myself just because I really wanted to make sure that I kind of just didn't get outside influences or just different thoughts in order to shift my mindset as to what I wanted. By the way, stay tuned because we obviously have a Twillie, and then we have the piece that dragged me into the boutique, and then this came about after, completely unexpected. So I had previously mentioned that my wish list was also, I'm so sorry if I look a little kind of shiny. It's been a day. We literally just got home. It's like 6 p.m. So, but I wanted to make sure that I did a quick little unboxing to share with you guys because of course I could not wait to switch into her. So as I was saying, I was doing a little bit of research on my own. My next wish list item obviously was the shoulder Birkin. As I've heard from various people, I've even spoken with my SA about it. I've done a little bit of research online. It seems like it could potentially be discontinued. However, I just recently saw a content creator that I follow both on Instagram, and she does have a YouTube channel. I'll make sure to pop up her name. She just unboxed a Berenia Faubourg shoulder Birkin in gold. Absolutely stunning. But even with that being said, if maybe that's the one that's currently being released, as I previously shared when I tried on the gold shoulder Birkin, I didn't want to go the gold route again because I feel like it's going to be very similar to my Birkin. I know that Berenia is a completely different leather. It is a heritage leather. However, I do feel like it's going to clash a little bit, and I'm just going to end up picking one over the other. So color wise and just what is currently being brought out, we didn't have a lot to work with. And even my SA had mentioned, you know, I'm going to try, but I can't promise you anything because we haven't seen one come in a minute. So I was like, okay. So my next option, which is my imaginary or fairy tale dream combination of a handbag, and that is Etain with rose gold hardware. However, Etain is no longer a color that is being produced as to like just being able to get offered. It is considered now a special order color. And not only is it a special order color, but it doesn't always come in all the leathers. So my next dream SO kind of combination that I would love is an Etain Birkin 25 Retourné with rose gold hardware. Again, One, I have to wait until I am offered a special order, which I personally feel like if I continue building, you know, my history with Hermes, I definitely will. However, I don't consider myself to be one of those VIP clients yet with the fashion house, just because you guys know I've always shared with you guys here. I've always been very open about my Hermes kind of journey, adventure, whatever we want to call it. But I don't buy ready to wear. I don't buy homeware and things like that. I honestly buy the pieces that I know that I'm going to use and love. And I know that there are people that are going in there and dropping a crap ton more money than I am. So I honestly have always been excited about the possibility of a special order, but I'm realistic with myself and with obviously the fashion house. So that was another option that we talked about with my SA. And even though I talked to her about it, she actually went into her, you know, iPad and checked, and she told me it's not available. So even if I could offer it to you, it's not a color combination with the leather that is currently available. So that was another shattered little dream. So then the next option was basically deep greens was another one. But she recently showed me the green that is currently available for 2026. And honestly, it didn't make my heart sing as a color from Hermes. And you guys know I love Hermes color. I feel like Hermes does colors so well. But again, especially in the Kellys and the Birkins, for me, these are pieces that I want to be timeless, classic. I may love a color right now, but that can change. I mean, we've seen it with my wardrobe, you guys. Have I not been in like a full-on burgundy kick, and all of a sudden now all I wear is browns and chocolates? And I'm pretty sure that that's gonna change again. So for that reason, when it comes to specific colors, I really want to be very, very picky and very precise. So that's when I started thinking about a black bag. I know it's a surprise to you, because it was a surprise to me too. Like, I went back to the what is that word that I'm trying to say? I went back to like the initial, no, that's not it. Anyways, I went back to my husband who has been here from the beginning, who has heard every single crazy idea, has heard me talk about handbags for 17 plus years at the moment. So I actually went to him and I told him, is it crazy if I go the black route? And he said, actually, I don't think so at all. I mean, honestly, why wouldn't you go a black route? The black is actually very, very, you know, it's a classic color. And my only concern was, if you were here through my Kelly 25 Retourne unboxing, initially I had asked for this bag with the gold hardware in black. And then, as I've mentioned a ton of time in many of my videos, I feel like you should go to a consignment shop or like a Fashion File, Rebag, The Real, whatever you have close to you, and see the color combination that you're thinking, because you could have an idea, and when you actually try it on, like, it can turn out to be completely different. And that's what it did for me. When I tried on the 25 in Retourne in gold hardware in black, I was like, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't love it. And guys, the emotion, like the feeling that I got when she took this out of the dust bag, I could not explain it. I didn't record absolutely anything. I feel like I did record with Nugget and I did record with the Kelly, but this time around, even my husband was like, do I record you? I'm like, don't. I want to be in the moment. I just want to be able to share this experience. My SA, poor thing. She's like, May, work with me. Like, I want to be able to, you know, make sure that you get something that you really love, but you're giving me such kind of complicated, you know, combinations. So I'm sure that she was just as happy and relieved as me when she was able to find something that really, really kind of just sang to me, and she knew that it was gonna make me happy. So guys, I'm sorry, I'm still like, I was shaking when she unboxed this, because honestly, I just didn't think that I was gonna love it as much as I did when I saw it. Like, in my mind, I felt like it was gonna be a really nice combination, but looking at it, trying it on, I felt like this is such a good bag. Like, it is a me bag, believe it or not. The black, again, I do love Hermes's neutrals. I feel like they're very unique. but I feel like the black does something specially with the palladium. So this is where we're at. I know you guys are surprised. I was excited and worried about sharing with you all because I'm like, I know that the ones that I've spoken to before, even the ones that follow me here, you know, like we've built such a community, such an amazing online friendship, and I love that about, you know, the Mrs. Label platforms. But I know that you all probably had no idea that this is what I was gonna go for. I can't wait to start wearing her. As I said, I wanted to do an unboxing and film it. You're probably seeing it a couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks. I'm thinking if I want to like upload it on my actual birthday date, but I know I'm gonna be wearing it before. It's June 4th. Look at me looking at my watch like if I have a watch. It's June 4th, so we have 26 days to go. I'm definitely going to be using her, so maybe I have to hide that away from you guys. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But I would love to hear you guys' thought. I can't wait to hear you guys' thought. I can't wait to hear what you think of the combination. I can't wait to hear if you think I'm crazy. I can't wait to hear it all. You know that I love chatting with you guys. I know that you all have a sense of humor as I do, so we all can make jokes together. So yes, I'm so thrilled. It was so funny because I think I shared it here. I've just done a couple of videos already, so I'm not sure if I shared it, but I FaceTime my mom and my sister-in-law, and obviously this is why she's like completely naked and doesn't have anything on her. And I texted my mom as soon as I got her, and I told her, I got a new bag, you're gonna hate it, but I love it, because she is not a huge crazy fan of black bags. And when I did the reveal, she's like, oh, it's black. Like I could see it in her face, but it's okay. She, like I've always said, you are the one that needs to love your pieces. You can definitely not get your pieces for other people's pleasure, because like anything in life, then you're never gonna truly enjoy it. I'm so excited. The smell is so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get into the Twillie that I picked up for her, which honestly, I think it's absolutely perfect. And I'm so happy that my SA had it, because I had been wanting this specific illustration, but I hadn't been able to come across it. I will pop up the whole name on the screen, but it's Le Boulevard something. It's one of their newest releases, and it's basically just a ton of illustrations of like Paris and the Paris architecture. I love that it's one side with so many vibrant colors, because obviously with the black, I wanted to add something that had different colors. The other side is a more neutral sort of side. The illustration is absolutely beautiful. It's like the Parisian people, but like in older times, you know, like you have a horse carriage, you have like the beautiful outfits that people will wear back in the day. So I love that. And then you have these ends in this beautiful fuchsia green shade, which I thought would be so stunning once I go ahead and style her and like put it like this. So good, and have like the perfect little pop. So I will dress her up at some point and obviously share her with you guys, but oh my god, she's so special. So let's get into the piece that I went into the boutique for. And if you are an Hermes connoisseur, I think you can guess, and I am so excited to finally have this, and it could not have come at a better time. You will see why. Let me press pause for a minute and take a couple of pictures, because, you know. Okay, we got carried away and did a whole little video, so no ribbon anymore. But I am so excited to finally have this. I went on a rabbit hole yesterday because she actually texted me yesterday and was like, I got this in, are you still interested? Because I know you asked me for it a year ago, and I was like, yes please, I still am. So I went on a rabbit hole on different ways to style it, and I'm so excited. It is the Farandole necklace in the size 120. So this piece comes in 80, comes in 120, and then it comes in 160. I was debating between the 160 and the 120 because obviously I wanted to be able to style it as many ways as possible. And I settled with the 120 just because I did feel that when I choose to style it around my neck, which is the majority of the times that's the route that I want to go for, it definitely feels a lot better in the 120 in my opinion, where the 160 you have a lot more to play with. So I feel like it could look a little bit more chunky and more kind of what's the vibe that I'm looking for, like a little bit more like I don't want to say punk rock because that's not it, but more edgier. That's the word. So a little bit more edgier, where I feel like the 120 for me personally and my style looks a little bit less edgier. So I am stoked. I am so excited that I finally got it. I was playing around with it in the boutique, and there's so many different ways in which you can style it. Also, this box, wow, this is impressive. I mean, I think this is considered part of their fine jewelry. Correct me if I'm wrong, but is the silver pieces considered part of their fine jewelry? Because, I mean, I know that it's not white gold, it's sterling silver. But I mean, this has a hefty price point. I mean, she ain't a cheap little girl. So I don't know if this is considered part of their fine jewelry, because that box also, you know, is very nice. So again, so many different ways. I'm sure that I'll do some shorts or tutorials or something, but you can go about it kind of just doubled. You can do 3. My essay was also telling me how people, when they do 3 times, like when they loop it around 3 times, which makes it look more like a choker, then what they'll go ahead and do is style a scarf top and kind of wrap it around it, which I love that idea. We are heading to a few beach vacations coming up, so definitely going to be working around that. And yeah, I mean, and hello there. Isn't she perfect? You guys, I know you think I'm crazy, but that's okay. We are all crazy in this little handbag community. I cannot wait to hear again what you guys think. I hope you love her as much as I do. Please send your name recommendations. I was driving my husband crazy, but I haven't been able to kind of pinpoint a name that I want. Oh gosh, she's so special. I'm so obsessed. I love her. I hope you enjoyed this crazy all over the place chatty unboxing, but I wanted to be like kind of very casual. I just wanted to share with you guys because I know you guys were also hoping for one anytime soon. I've been chatting with a few of you and you're like, when is it coming? And I'm like, girlfriend, I'm with you. I have no idea. So yeah, thank you for hanging out with me today, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and of course I hope to see you in my next one. Bye everyone.